So, when you are ready for your first ride, there are some things to mention on your Vässla which prevent the Vässla from driving actually. There is some safety devices inside, for example, your side stand. When your side stand is out, your engine will not work. It just prevents that you cannot accidentally start when the side stand is down. So make sure on your right, your side stand is all the way up. The same safety devices we have installed in the front and in the back brake. There are switches which stops the engine from working when you hit one of those brakes. This is, for example, if you are on an uphill and you apply the brake and at the same time the throttle, your Vässla will not start. As soon as you release the brake, your engine will start working and will stop working. Make sure there is no brake applied when you start. The next thing what you should look before you go out for your first ride, make sure your tires are properly inflated. You can prove by hand if there is pressure inside, so that you have no flat tire. And if you want to be really sure, then 2.5 bars is the recommended pressure for the front and for the back tire. If this is the case, you are ready for a ride.